Venezuela. Venezuela has the biggest oil reserves on the planet, the biggest, more than Saudi Arabia. But they can't bring it on the global market because of U.S. sanctions. And so now the Biden administration is going to Venezuela like doggies. They're kissing Maduro's ass. For years, they've been saying, this guy's not the president. Guaido is the president. As a matter of fact, they're still saying that, which is absurd. Just the other day, Ned Price, the State Department spokesperson, he's still insisting Guaido's the president. Like, these guys, they're such clowns. But they don't speak to Guaido, of course, because he's not in charge. Right? He's a puppet. They go to the real Don. They go to the Padre. They go to the big guy who's in charge, and that is Maduro. He's the president. That's why. And so they have talking to him to get Venezuelan oil. So they're begging the Saudis to produce more oil. They're begging the Emiratis to produce more oil. The U.S. is begging Maduro to bring back his oil. They're begging for the Iran nuclear deal to be revived all of a sudden. Why? All because they wanted to sanction Russia, and they've sent the price of oil even higher than it already was during the last months. Wow. Well done. And so the response to that hasn't been, okay, let's all jump behind the U.S. and support the U.S. position. The response from that has been, you guys are actually idiots. We're going to continue trading with Russia, and we're not going to treat Russia as a pariah. And just to further prove my point, do you know what India did? In the last 24 hours, just bought 3 million barrels. From who? Who do you think they bought the oil from? From Russia. Indian Oil Corporation buys 3 million barrels of Russian crude oil at a discount. At a discount of 20 to 25%. And here's the sweetest part. The payment is in rupees. It's in rupees. It's not even dollars. It's rupees. Oh, my God. You love to see it, man. If I'm in the Treasury right now, if I'm in the U.S. Treasury, I'm shitting my pants. I'm quitting. I'm leaving to the next planet. I'm jumping ship. This is so embarrassing. Oh my God. Like this is the stuff that you wouldn't even dream of like a year ago. Unheard of. Like, what are you talking about? You're going to buy oil in rupees? What? Or Chinese yuan? Who does that? Oh, it's happening, baby. It's happening right now.